Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to delve into how to use the task duration and effort feature on teamwork.com. This feature is a powerful tool to help you manage your team's workload and projects more effectively. The first step is to log into your teamwork.com account and navigate to the project where you want to apply these features. The reason we do this is to ensure we're working on the correct project and not making changes elsewhere. Now that we're in the right place, let's move on to the Task tab. Here, you'll find a list of tasks assigned to your team. It's in this space where the task duration and effort features come to life. They allow you to set the time duration for each task and to assign the effort needed to complete it, giving you a clearer picture of project timelines and resources needed. Next up, let's click on a task to open it. You'll see the Edit Task window pop up. Look for the Dates and Time section. This is where you'll find the task duration and effort fields. This step is crucial because it's where we input the task duration in terms of days, hours, or minutes, and assign the effort level from low to high. The reason we do this is to provide a realistic estimate of how long the task will take and the effort level it requires. Now, let's input the task duration. For example, if you think the task will take 3 hours, you'll input 3 in the hours field. This helps us because it provides a clear time frame for task completion. Following this, we'll set the effort. This is measured on a scale from low to high. The reason we do this is to indicate how much manpower or resources the task will need. Once you've filled both fields, remember to click Save Changes. This ensures that your updates are stored and visible to your team. Now let's wrap things up. Today, we've covered how to use the task duration and effort feature on teamwork.com. By using this feature, you can manage your projects more efficiently and effectively, all while keeping your team in the loop. Remember, it's all about making the most of your resources and time. Thanks for joining.